Hello class, this is a quick video about the Pythagorean theorem, and the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the area of triangles. The area of a triangle, as you know, the area equals 1/2 base times the height. Okay, so when we look at the first one here, each of these problems is going to have two steps. The first step is to use the Pythagorean theorem, and the second step is to use the formula for area. So first we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. I know with my area I need the base and the height. Now the base I can find from the picture. Because it's an isosceles triangle, if this side is 4.2, this one must also be 4.2, which means that the whole base is 8.4. And that's what I'm going to plug in for my b, for my base. Okay, now what I don't know is my height. I need to know my height, h, so I can plug that into the formula as well. So I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem on this triangle, and we're going to find our height. So I'm going to say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're going to say h squared plus 4.2 squared equals 8 squared. And I use my calculator and I find out that 4.2 squared is 17.64. 8 squared is 64. And now I subtract the 17 to the other side. And I have h squared equals 26.36 and 46.36. Okay, and then I take the square root of that. And for the answer for the height, we have 6.8. And please notice that I'm rounding my answer to my final answer here to the nearest tenth. Okay, now that I have the height, I need to go ahead and find my area. So now I'm going to use my other formula to find the area of the triangle. And the area of the triangle, the area will equal 1/2 the base, and the base was 8.4, times the height, which is 6.8. All right, and when I multiply those together on my calculator, I have 28.56. For the area. So that's the answer. Okay, great. Let's try another one. Let's look at number 5. On this one, it looks like this time I don't know what the base is. I need to know what this number here is so I can add them together to find the whole base. But I know the height. I can see that the height is going to be 3. All right, so let's use this triangle on this side. Okay, and I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem here to find the missing side x. So I have x squared plus 3 squared equals 7 squared. 3 squared is 9. Bring down the x squared. 7 squared is 49. Subtract the 9 to the other side. We have x squared equals 40. And the square root of 40 gives us x equals 6.32. All right, and now last step, I take that x, and let's go ahead and find what would my base be. If x right here is 6.3, when I add these two pieces together, my whole base is going to be 8.32. All right, so let's go ahead and do our area then. The area of the triangle is is going to be 1/2 the height, which was 3, times the base, and the base was 8.32. And I put that in my calculator, and for the area I get 12.5. All right, please finish 1 through 6 and then watch the video.